Now here's my 7 favorite exercises for hiatal hernia for people that have bad posture. Everybody's been asking me, when is the reflux shield or my hiatal hernia self-help device coming out? Well, it's out. And you'll be able to check out our website, and that's refluxshield.com. Introducing the first and only non-surgical, non-pharmaceutical solution for acid reflux, the Reflux Shield. Order yours today.
Place a foam roll across the floor. Lie back with the foam roll running across the level of your spine that you would like to stretch. Wrap your hands around the back of your head to support the weight. Ensure you do not pull your head forward, keep it in line with the rest of your spine. Inhale, then as you exhale allow your body to relax over the foam roll. Hold this position in a stretch, continuing to focus on your breathing. Position a foam roller on the floor and lie your upper back across it. Support your head in your hands. Roll slightly to one side so that the pressure of the foam roller is felt off to the side of your spine. With your hips off the floor, use your feet to roll your back up and down on the foam roller. Lie on your stomach with your forehead on the mat and your arms by your sides with the palms pressing against your legs. Exhale, lift your head and chest slightly off the mat. Inhale, slowly lower your trunk down, keep your head aligned with your spine. Keep your legs together, pressing into the mat. Engage your abdominals throughout the exercise. Lie face down on the mat with your legs extended and kept together. Your hands should be just outside of your shoulders, mat width apart. Inhaling, stabilize your scapula and prepare for the movement. Exhale, extend your arms, reaching forward and slightly lifting your upper trunk off the mat. Inhale, bend your elbows and bring your arms next to your sides, extending your spine further. Repeat. Keep your head aligned with your spine. Maintain your glutes tight and abdominals pulled in throughout. Perform the desired number of the repetitions, then come down to the starting position. Start in a standing position against a wall. Flatten your back against the wall, attempting to get the back of your head on the wall. Flatten your shoulder blades against the wall and hold your arms by your side touching the wall. Lift your arms out to the side and upwards, maintaining contact with the wall as much as possible. Return to the start position and repeat. Lie face down with your arms in an L position so that the upper arms are in line with your shoulders and your elbows are bent at 90 degrees and facing forwards. Keep your head slightly elevated and aligned with your spine. Your hands should be facing palms down with your fingers extended. Now tighten your abdominal muscles to stabilize your trunk and slowly raise both arms off the floor no higher than 6 inches and hold for the required time, then slowly lower your arms down to the floor. Repeat for the desired number of repetitions. Throughout the exercise, keep your arms at 90 degrees through your elbows in the L position and ensure your trunk and legs are aligned. Perform this exercise in a slow controlled manner and do not jerk the body into the up position when raising the arms. Stand up straight with a resistance band tied around a solid object in front of you. Hold the ends of the band in both hands. Bend your elbows to 90 degrees and gather some tension in the band. Pull on the band, driving your elbows directly backwards. Focus on pulling your shoulder blades back and together as you do this movement. Return to the start position.